Yeah. So, okay. Now I'm gonna show you up closer. This is the area where I was at before, and I'm gonna show you up closer to where I was walking into the lake. And here's some people here that are paddle boating, shorts, short sleeves. Really nice weather. I have on short sleeves myself. So the weather is really, really nice. Really nice. Short sleeves, shorts. So yeah, big change in the weather that fast. So we're gonna walk this way just so you can see a little better. America's Mountain over there. You know what? I was gonna say there's not a cloud in the sky, but there is one right over there. That's like south on that mountain range over that 14er right there. Yeah, that's a ways off though. So yeah, see the trail here. And there's that beautiful sunshine right there. My skin is loving that right now. Oh, there's some people over there fishing. All right. Right over here. Pretty far distance, so you can see them a little bit, not that well. Okay, yeah. And the trail goes on around here, but here it's got a little thing here that tells you about trout and their natural diet. So they eat mayflies, caddis flies, true flies, them the real flies, stone flies, other aquatic invertebrates, terrestrials, small fish. Alrighty. And those are steps right there that you can go up. You know, you want to be careful. Well, they're not really steps, look like water breakers to stop this from washing out. I think that's more of what that is. Yeah, what that is. And here's the water's edge. Man, this is looking nice. I might just have to come back out here and do some fishing. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. The beauty, right? I'm telling you. Yes. Nice pine tree right here for shade. Here's a bench so you can stop and have a seat. Just like this. So relaxing, so nice. Yeah, okay. We're gonna go a little bit further here in just a minute, but I'm gonna cut this video right here. Until the next one, y'all. What's my word? Peace.